Hey everyone, it's James Q Quick from Learn, Build, Teach, and I want to welcome you to another mini course called Build a Quiz App with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now this course is going to be perfect for you if you're looking to improve your core web development skills because we're not going to use any frameworks, no libraries, no Angular, no React, no Vue, just plain old core HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now let's talk a little bit about the features and things that we're going to use in this course. We'll use some ES features like const and let. We'll talk about the spread operator. We'll talk about arrow functions and then other JavaScript features as well. A few of the array functions like splice and map. We'll use local storage. And then in CSS, we're going to use Flexbox. We'll talk about animations and rim units. Now we're going to take all of those things to build some pretty cool functionality into this application. We're going to store high scores in local storage. We're going to dynamically request and retrieve questions from the OpenTriviaDB API. We're going to build a spinning loader from scratch. We'll build a progress bar from scratch. And I think it looks really good. And I think this is really great core web development stuff that you guys are going to want to learn how to do. So again, I want to thank you for coming to the course. I want you to know that there will be resources for you to follow as well. There's a link in the description to the GitHub page that you guys will have access to all the source code. Part 1 through part 12, I think is how many we have. So never fear if you can't get something or if you have something going wrong, you can always go and grab that source code. And then in there, I've included links to additional resources if you need to do some additional reading or learning along the way. So again, I want to thank you guys for checking out the course. I'm really excited that you're here and I'm really excited for this course. I really enjoyed recording it and creating it myself. I just want to leave you guys with one additional resource. If you're interested in checking out more of my content, my videos, my courses, you can head on over to learnbuildteach.com and you can subscribe to my newsletter to get notification about all of those things as well. So again, just want to thank you and welcome you to the course. I hope that you enjoy it and I hope you're ready to improve your core web development skills.